You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce the name of this originally Ecuadorian, so from Ecuador, football player. If you want to learn more names from soccer, stay tuned. Pronounced in Spanish, how he would say it: Piero Hincapie. The H is silent. Piero Hincapie. In English, you can say it as Piero Hincapie. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.